I just love it out here, folks. I just love it out here. You know, I prayed for shell leg, and that's what I got. And I'm so thankful. Hallelujah. I mean, I bet a lot of pagans and Christians pray for, been praying that it'll warm up. But Yehovah Elohim doesn't listen to them. He doesn't listen to their prayers. You know, only those who are not corrupt and pure in heart. Yeah, but I'm just taking my good old time, as I figure if I stay out here longer, then what was I gonna say? If I stay out here longer, then there'll be less traffic on the road, because there's like always less traffic later at night. I mean, it's around. I mean, it's like 6 something right now. Anyway, may Yehovah Elohim be with you all and bless you all. Shalom.